Hi there, and welcome to Music of Magic. Today, we're going to be learning a new guitar riff. So get ready, 'cause here we go! Today's melodic riff, the riff that you're hearing, uses mainly strings 1 and 2 and uses fingers 2 and 4. You can find the tabs down below. If you do not know how to read tabs, you can learn from our tablature lesson in the link above or in the description below. Let's take a look. We're first going to begin with the open first string. Next, we have the second fret of the first string with our second finger. After, we have the fourth fret of the first string with our fourth finger. Next, we're coming back to the second fret of the first string with our second finger. After, we're going to play the open second string. And when we put it all together, this note is going to feel a bit faster. But for now, let's just give it a pluck. This next part is basically going to be a repeat of what you just played. So we're going to play the open first string. Next, we have our second finger on the second fret of the first string. After, we have the fourth fret of the first string with our fourth finger. Now we're coming back to the second fret of the first string with our second finger. And once again, we now have the opened second string. Here's where we have a new note. We're going to play the second fret of the second string with our second finger. Now, we're going to come back to the opened second string. Now, we have the opened first string. Next is the second fret of the first string with our second finger. And finally, we have the open first string. Now let's put this all together and follow along with the tabs below. I'll count us in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Very nice. Get cozy playing this at your own comfortable tempo. Because next, we're going to play it just a little bit faster with some extra instruments. I'll count us in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more time. Very nice. First, begin getting comfortable with just the correct notes, good sounding notes, and then playing it at a slower tempo till you can gradually pick up the pace. All right, keep on making that music magic, and we'll see you in our next lesson. Keep on playing.